All right, this is Jim. I wanted to share with you how to add Craigslist ads and the little tricks behind it. So the first thing you would do is start an account or open up an account on Craigslist and do your login and password. If you haven't had one, then you need to create one. Now here are ads that I've already created, and I'll take you through that first. So, well, let me show you how to get there. Okay, so you click on your account. Then you have an account button right here. I'm going to try to zoom in here. So you click on that, and then it's going to open up this. Okay, so these are ads that I've already posted, and you'll see how they're displayed right here. Okay, see how they're display, delete, edit. But what you want to do, you want to see they're all active here, and these have been deleted. So those are, properties I've already sold. So right here, normally people would click on renew, but here's what I do. I will click on delete, and then it'll take me to this page. And then, as you can see, I'll click repost. Okay. Then you scroll through. You can make some changes. You might want to change it up a little bit just to make it look a little different. And then you can scroll down the bottom and make sure everything's good. And then you come down below and then just click continue and then publish. So there you go. Now you'd click back on return to account, and then you'd scroll through and you do your next one. Now keep in mind, don't do a whole lot at one time. See, I'm going to go ahead and repost again and then continue. I didn't make any changes this time, but just want to get the training segment through so you understand what's going on. Then you go to the next one. You just keep going through these, and as you see the renew button, you can go ahead and delete it and then repost it, and then it'll be a new post. It'll stay fresh at the top. Okay, so this one, I think I changed the price, so I'm going to put $1,400 and $2,800 for the down payment, and then I think it's good to go. So you can click continue here, and then what you can also do is edit your images. So you just want to change it up a bit, just move an image around or something. I don't have any other outside shots, so maybe I'll just take a picture from the bedroom or something, just to give it a different look. Obviously the front of the house isn't getting any looks, so I'll just paste it over here, and that way people will open it up because they recognize the same house all the time. It'll be less apt to open it up. So you get the idea. So here you want to click over here, and so let's do a new ad. So if I want to put an ad, you click United States, and then I'll just do Michigan because that's my home, and then click on the city, and then you want to post classifieds. Click there, and then you scroll here and you click housing offered, and then you scroll real estate by owner, and then in the title, you just put just come up with something. Great deal, all credit accepted, and then you can put location. For argument's sake, I'll just put Flint, and then you can put your topic here. So here's some codes that you want to go do. You can do this, I don't know what that symbol is called, but anyway, you can put H and then 1, and then followed by the symbol again, and then you can type in lease purchase. So if you want to get this in bold, then this is a way to do it. These are little codes. And you can do that again, and then you do this / followed by the H again, and then the 1, and then put the closed symbol in there, and then you're good to go. Now there's other symbols, and you can Google this and find a little cheat sheet for that. So like if I wanted to do, I'm just memorizing this. I know there's another one where you could do, I think it's underline. And I just put in there, and then I'll do the / again, and then followed by the closed. And then I think there's another, yeah, so I think that's like asterisk. And I think there's another one where you could do underline, and then the / again, and then the U, and then closed up. And then there's some other ones that, you know, if you want the big bold, if you want it a little smaller here, you can put a 2 instead of the 1, or you can put a 3. Now I've never tried a 4, but obviously as the numbers go up, the sizes of the text will go down. There used to be a color code at some point, but I've never got to get that to work. Here, you know, make sure you don't have apartment. If it's not an apartment, put house. And then I leave the bedrooms and baths off, because if you fill those in, it may restrict people from, like, if they're searching, you know, specific size of house, or excuse me, size of bedrooms and baths, then yours won't come up, you know. So you just want to give every opportunity for them to have a chance to see your ad. Then you click continue here, and obviously you click again, and then you add your images. Now here's an image. Let's see if I got it on my computer here. Here's an image what I put in, and this is something that you guys can do where you can generate some more leads. Let's see, real estate. Here it is. And I have this post here, and you can create that. You see, it says I buy property directly from sellers, blah, blah, blah. And so that's the first thing they see. And then this will create interest in somebody contacting you. And now see how I did it? Now you can see lease purchase here. See how it was an asterisk here, and then that one was underlined. So those are little codes that I used. And then obviously you would click publish here. I'm not going to publish it now because this is not what I actually want to do. Put it in there just for training purposes only. So anyway, hope that makes sense, and just take advantage of that, and be sure you keep your ads fresh, and always go back into your account and see what's going on. You scroll through. If it's blue, it's been deleted by you. And if it's pink, like this one, removed, somebody just didn't have, you know, had too much time in the day and they wanted to delete my post, and so you would have to reactivate it. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to see that happen. And sometimes it could be just from posting too many times too fast, and then, you know, Craigslist will flag it. So you want to protect yourself of doing that. So, you know, pace yourself, and just, you know, even with these renews, when I go back to repost it as a delete and then renew, like, see, I have some more here. And so I don't want to do a bunch at one time, because they're going to say, hey, you've been going, you know, at this too rapidly, and you need to stop. So they'll make you take a break from it. So just, you know, as you're doing your daily activities, just kind of come back in here every so often. You can get back to it and repost again, and then you can check out your posts, and, you know, once you hit refresh, I think it'll come back up, and so it's back. See, these are the 4 or 5 that I did. So anyway, I hope that helps, and thanks for stopping by.